everyone, welcome to the Shape Your Future Healthy Kitchen, sponsored by TSET. I am here with Chef Val from OUTU School of Community Medicine, and Julie gets to join us today from TSET, so thank you for being part of this as well. And we have a unique breakfast today, so I'm going to let you tell us all about it.
Okay, we're doing a breakfast sweet potato. So that might seem a little bit odd, but the reason that we love this is because a lot of times people crave really carbohydrate heavy breakfast, cinnamon rolls, donuts, pancakes, waffles, all of those things. And so this is gonna really satisfy that sweet craving that people have, but it's gonna give a lot of nutrients, a lot of fiber, and then we're choosing to pair it with something that has a lot of protein like a Greek yogurt.
Okay.
And then we are actually making the topping for that. So we're calling it a breakfast sweet potato. You could put different things on this. Granola, cereal flakes, you know, different toppings for your breakfast.
So this is just roasted. You can roast them ahead.
Yeah, so we actually roasted these yesterday, and so do 4, 5, 6 at a time, however, you know, for your family. And they last, you know, a week. For real.
I was going to say that was my next question. So you could do them ahead and then have them for like before school, before work, that kind of thing.
And so if you ever buy granola in the grocery store, you know how expensive it is.
Yes.
And it's really kind of silly because it is just oats, and in this one we have some nuts and chia seeds. You could use flaxseed. We're going to do a little bit of cinnamon.
Okay.
And you don't have to do this, but we also are doing a little bit of orange zest, a little bit of nutmeg, and we didn't have any ground nutmeg, so we're going like total old school, real deal on this nutmeg, yes.
And again, something like this, you could do like a big batch. You could keep it on hand. About how long can you keep something like this?
Well, you could keep it in the freezer for many, many months, but in the pantry, I would say it's still going to last a couple of weeks as long as it's nice and dry, cool and dry when it goes into the bag.
So an easy thing that you can make ahead and have the items on hand. And while she's mixing that, tell us a little bit about TSET.
Yeah, so TSET is a state agency that makes grants to improve health, and one of our programs is Shape Your Future. So we're often having resources on our website to help people get that sweet taste, but also have a healthier option. And what I like about what you're doing here is that you're not adding any additional sugar. Obviously, the dried apricots are gonna have some sweetness, but
a little maple syrup.
I got it.
A little bit of maple
just
syrup.
a little bit.
Yes.
But again, you're making those small changes to make the big differences and just get you in those healthy patterns.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Perfect.
So
Okay.
this just gets all stirred up, and gets spread on the sheet pan, goes into the oven at a low temperature, 300, 325 for a longer period of time because you're looking for it to dry out, not necessarily get super brown.
Okay.
And you'll stir it a few times in between.
Perfect. Okay, is this our tasting part? Is this
Yes,
where we get
please,
to?
go for it.
I'm learning
I'm
about
always waiting, waiting impatiently.
learning about sweet potato for breakfast. I think I could do it.
I know. I'm excited. It's a great option.
Yes. Not just for Thanksgiving, huh?
It's very good. And you definitely get that sweet flavor and that taste. Thank you very much for you guys being here today. If you want to learn more about this recipe or any of the other recipes, go ahead and head to kjrh.com.